Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're cooking for a big family or love hosting gatherings, a small air fryer just won't cut it. That's why today we're checking out the best large air fryers, perfect for whipping up crispy, delicious meals in bigger batches without the oil. From whole chickens to party-sized portions of fries, these powerful machines combine capacity with performance for healthier cooking made easy. All the product links are in the description below. So let's jump in and find the perfect large air fryer to elevate your kitchen game.
Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you're looking for a high-performance kitchen appliance that can do it all, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV900 BSS is your answer. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design and versatile cooking capabilities, this countertop oven combines the best of both worlds, an air fryer and an oven. Whether you're roasting, baking, air frying, or dehydrating, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro delivers top-tier results with ease and precision. Unmatched versatility with 13 cooking functions. This is not just an air fryer, it's a 13-in-1 powerhouse. From air-frying crispy fries to slow-cooking tender meats, the Breville Smart Oven offers everything you need for a variety of meals. You can choose from toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza-proof, air-fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate, giving you the flexibility to cook whatever you're craving. Element IQ System for perfect cooking. The Element IQ System is the heart of this appliance. Using 6 independent quartz elements, it directs power where it's needed most to provide even heat distribution. With digital PID temperature control, cold spots are eliminated, ensuring precise cooking temperatures for perfectly cooked meals every time. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8QD Clear Cook Air Fryer is a game changer for anyone who loves quick, delicious meals. Designed to make cooking easier and more efficient, this 8-in-1 air fryer combines the power of multiple appliances into one sleek, stainless steel unit. Whether you're air frying, roasting, broiling, or baking, the Vortex Plus XL delivers perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. 8-in-1 versatility for every meal. This air fryer is not just for frying, it's a multifunctional powerhouse that allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, sync cook, and sync finish. From crispy chicken wings to soft-baked cookies, the Vortex Plus XL does it all with ease. Dual baskets for double the efficiency. The 8-quart dual baskets are one of the standout features of the Vortex Plus XL. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QD XL Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QD XL Air Fryer is the ultimate multitasker, blending style, versatility, and efficiency into one sleek stainless steel package. From crispy wings to perfectly roasted veggies, this air fryer is designed to simplify your cooking experience while delivering delicious, healthier results. 6 appliances in one. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple gadgets? The Vortex Plus takes care of it all with its 6-in-1 functionality. Air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat, all with the push of a button. Whether you're crisping up garlicky potatoes or baking cinnamon buns, this appliance can handle it. Even crisp technology for perfect results. Achieve a golden finish and mouth-watering texture every time with even crisp technology. This advanced airflow system ensures that your meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, perfect for fries, chicken, and more. Smart programs and fast preheating, cooking has never been easier. The Vortex Plus features customizable one-touch programs, allowing you to prepare everything from appetizers to desserts with precision. Plus, with little to no preheating time, you can go from frozen to gourmet in minutes with a wide temperature range of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Family size capacity, compact design. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for feeding the whole family or meal prepping for the week. Despite its generous size, the Vortex Plus boasts a compact, countertop-friendly design with stylish stainless steel accents that enhance any kitchen aesthetic. Number 2. Ultrian 4.2 Quart Air Fryer. The Ultrian 4.2-quart air fryer is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's your personal assistant for creating quick, easy, and delicious meals. Designed to make cooking healthier and hassle-free, this electric air fryer offers a sleek black design, modern features, and versatility that will revolutionize your culinary routine. Healthier cooking made simple. With the Ultrian air fryer, you can indulge in all your favorite fried and crispy foods without the guilt. Its rapid air technology ensures even cooking with minimal oil, reducing fat and grease while delivering the perfect crunch. From golden fries to juicy grilled meats, every bite is as tasty as it is healthy. Versatility in one compact unit. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a 4-in-1 cooking solution. Whether you're air frying, grilling, roasting, or baking, the Ultrian handles it all with ease. Its adjustable temperature range, 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and auto switch-off timer, up to 30 minutes, make cooking precise and worry-free. Designed for convenience, the Ultrian's nonstick frying pot and detachable, dishwasher-safe basket ensure cleanup is quick and effortless. The heat-resistant handle adds an extra layer of safety, while the LCD display and simple controls make operation a breeze. Plus, the compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen without taking up too much counter space. Perfect for every occasion. With its 4.2-quart capacity, the Ultrian is ideal for small families, couples, or anyone who loves fast, efficient meal prep. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer. Say goodbye to greasy meals and hello to guilt-free indulgence with the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This compact 4-quart powerhouse is more than just an air fryer. It's a versatile kitchen companion that can air fry, roast, broil, reheat, and even dehydrate. Designed to deliver crispy, delicious results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, it's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Compact, yet mighty. The Ninja AF101 boasts a sleek gray design with a compact footprint that fits snugly into any kitchen. Despite its small size, its 4-quart capacity can handle family-sized portions, such as 2 pounds of French fries, making it ideal for both solo chefs and small households. 4-in-1 versatility. This air fryer isn't just for frying. Its programmable features allow you to effortlessly switch between 4 cooking modes. Air fry. Achieve crispy, golden perfection with minimal oil. Roast. Perfect for juicy meats and tender vegetables. Reheat. Revive leftovers to their former glory without drying them out. Dehydrate. Create homemade snacks like fruit chips or beef jerky with precision. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.